Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a reindeer wreath. Let's get started. Okay you guys, in an effort to cut down on the time of the video, I already wrapped the tinsel around the wreath form, and I'm just showing you exactly how easy it is to do. And this wreath is going to be so super simple, but it'll give you a lot of bang for your buck on your door if you don't have time and if you're not proficient in making other kinds of wreaths. So let's get back to watching the video. OMG, you guys, do not be lazy like I did, because this is going to hurt your thumb if you try to push it. Just grab your pliers. My pliers are directly in front of me in my carousel. Do not ask why, but this was super careless and just didn't make any sense. But don't do like me. Do better, okay? Okay. As you can see, I'm on the struggle bus for real today. I don't know what's going on. Now, normally I would have chopped and screwed this video all the way up and cut all that kind of stuff out, but I wanted you guys to see and be completely transparent that the video is not edited that much at all, to be honest with you. And things like this will happen, especially when you're struggling for that day. So give yourself a little bit of grace when you're struggling and just keep it pushing. It'll all work out, I promise. You guys, I did not show me making the bow. However, I have numerous bow tutorials on my channel. If you'll click the playlist and look for Bow Wednesday, you'll find a plethora of bow tutorials on various types of bow makers, the Bow Dabra, the Easy Bow Maker, and of course my favorite, the Pro Bow the Hand. Okay? Alrighty. Alrighty, so our time together has come to an end, but don't fear, I'll be back tomorrow with another super cool craft idea for Christmas in July. As always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and visiting with me today. I hope you will try the project out, and if you like what I did today, please give the video a thumbs up and have a wonderful day. Goodbye, you guys.